Here is a beginner-level People Manager quiz that covers career development and growth planning, employee well-being and work-life balance, and employee engagement and retention. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of career development in people management? A. Ensuring employees stay in the same role for a long time. B. Helping employees grow their skills and advance in their careers. C. Reducing employee turnover by limiting promotions. And D. Assigning employees to tasks they dislike. Answer: helping employees grow their skills and advance in their careers. Question 2. Which of the following is an effective way to support an employee's career growth? A. Ignoring their career aspirations. B. Assigning the same tasks repeatedly. C. Providing mentorship and training opportunities. And D. Avoiding discussions about future roles. Answer: providing mentorship and training opportunities. Question 3. What should a manager do to help an employee who wants to switch career paths? A. Discourage them from leaving their current role. B. Ignore their request and focus on current projects. C. Assign them more unrelated tasks. And D. Provide relevant skill development opportunities. Answer: provide relevant skill development opportunities. Question 4. A good individual development plan, IDP, should include A. A combination of short-term and long-term career goals. B. Only short-term performance goals. C. A strict timeline without flexibility. And D. Tasks assigned randomly without purpose. Answer: a combination of short-term and long-term career goals. Question 5. How can a people manager help employees prepare for leadership roles? A. Only promote employees who have worked the longest. B. Expose them to leadership opportunities and decision-making. C. Keep leadership discussions private. And D. Assign them more routine administrative work. Answer: expose them to leadership opportunities and decision-making. Question 6. Which action best supports employee well-being? A. Encouraging employees to work overtime frequently. B. Ignoring employee stress levels. C. Promoting a healthy work-life balance and flexible schedules. And D. Expecting employees to be available 24/7. Answer: promoting a healthy work-life balance and flexible schedules. Question 7. What is a key indicator of poor work-life balance? A. High employee engagement and motivation. B. A decrease in workload over time. C. Employees taking regular breaks and feeling refreshed. And D. Employees feeling exhausted and frequently absent. Answer: employees feeling exhausted and frequently absent. Question 8. How can a people manager prevent employee burnout? A. Encouraging breaks and reasonable workloads. B. Ignoring workload concerns. C. Demanding employees meet deadlines at any cost. And D. Avoiding discussions about well-being. Answer: encouraging breaks and reasonable workloads. Question 9. Why is work-life balance important for employee retention? A. It makes employees work fewer hours. B. It increases job satisfaction and reduces stress. C. It allows managers to delegate more work. And D. It ensures employees never take vacations. Answer. It increases job satisfaction and reduces stress. Question 10. What is one way to support mental health in the workplace? A. Offering employee assistance programs, EAPs. B. Avoiding mental health discussions. C. Discouraging employees from taking time off. And D. Expecting employees to manage stress on their own. Answer. Offering employee assistance programs, EAPS. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which factor most influences employee retention? A. A toxic work environment. B. Opportunities for career growth and recognition. C. Limited communication with management. And D. Assigning repetitive, unchallenging tasks. Answer. Opportunities for career growth and recognition. Question 12. What is one of the best ways to increase employee engagement? A. Ignoring employee feedback. B. Limiting career growth opportunities. C. Recognizing and appreciating employee efforts. And D. Assigning tasks without explanation. Answer. Recognizing and appreciating employee efforts. Question 13. How can managers create a positive work culture? A. Promoting open communication and team collaboration. B. Keeping employees isolated from one another. C. Avoiding discussions about company goals. And D. Focusing only on individual performance. Answer. Promoting open communication and team collaboration. Question 14. Which is an example of an effective employee recognition strategy? A. Only recognizing employees once a year. B. Providing frequent and meaningful recognition. C. Keeping achievements secret. And D. Rewarding only high-level managers. Answer. Providing frequent and meaningful recognition. Question 15. Why is onboarding important for new employees? A. It helps them integrate smoothly into the company culture. B. It delays productivity for new hires. C. It is unnecessary if employees are experienced. And D. It is only useful for senior-level employees. Answer. It helps them integrate smoothly into the company culture. Question 16. What should a people manager do if an employee feels disengaged? A. Ignore the concern and focus on other employees. B. Tell them to find a new job. C. Assign them more work to keep them busy. And D. Identify the cause and work on a solution. Answer. Identify the cause and work on a solution. Question 17. Which strategy helps build stronger team engagement? A. Organizing team-building activities. B. Assigning individual work only. C. Reducing communication within teams. And D. Keeping employees unaware of company goals. Answer. Organizing organising team-building activities. Question 18. An employee is highly skilled but disengaged. What is the best way to re-engage them? A. Assign them routine work. B. Ignore their disengagement. C. Offer them a new challenge or project. And D. Increase their workload without discussion. Answer: offer them a new challenge or project. Question 19. What is a common reason employees leave an organisation? A. Poor leadership and lack of career growth. B. Too many team-building activities. C. Low expectations for performance. And D. Working only 40 hours per week. Answer: poor leadership and lack of career growth. Question 20. Why should people managers encourage continuous learning? A. To replace employees with better trained individuals. B. To help employees develop and grow in their careers. C. To make employees work longer hours. And D. To ensure employees never take time off. Answer: to help employees develop and grow in their careers. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.